Today I got this 22 revolver. It's a Western Marshal made by the J.P. Sauer and Son in Western Germany. I restored this gun. When I got it, it was in bad shape, and I re-blew it a few years back. These grips are not the originals. The originals were made out of plastic. Very nice gun. I just made a short fire in it. So I had this gun for a few years, and I like it. I hope you do too, and please subscribe to the channel and give the video some thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching.